Oh yeah, how about that? I just decided to install an update to my Windows 20 H2 install on my main computer. This is actually my main computer. And here we go. Heck yeah. That's what I wanted to see. Oh yeah. Yeah, baby. I wonder how long it is gonna go for. Because I have to go to the university tomorrow and it's a little bit too late at this point. It changed. Let's see. Is it completely gone? Oh, there we go. What an embarrassment. I have never had an update trash my computer. So here's my first time, I guess. I don't know how long it's gonna go for. This screen. Previous screen was up for like 10 minutes. I just went out while it was installing updates. Couldn't complete the changes. Alright. Oh, by the way, last time I had this message on Windows 7, it just started boot looping, so I'm not expecting anything good after this. I just wanna say. It's been quite a ride so far, I'd say. Still undoing the changes. Oh, would you look at that? I thought it would boot loop on me, I was pretty sure. Huh, what? Oh, it's working, but it doesn't open up. Guess it's not focused. Yeah, it's not. Let's see. Alright, we back, and would you look at that? Look at this shit. It wasted 20 minutes of my time just to install this. Is this really shipped with every single update Microsoft pushes? There is literally no way, man. That's the rock bottom. Look at that! This is bullshit. Okay, I'm not even gonna click that because I'm probably gonna get tracked. So take a look at. Wait. You can't uninstall it. Or is it just update? Oh, never mind. I was about to be all pissed out because of that. Please close. Oh, so I guess it's that, right? So yes, it's that. No, I'm still not gonna click that. I'm just gonna safely ignore that, and I'm just gonna, you know, and yeah, it's gone. No tracking allowed. So I'm just gonna uninstall. No data, but I'm still gonna clear it. So Microsoft has absolutely nothing. And see how it goes. No, nothing. Not even an uninstaller. Ah, look at that. It also tried to make itself a default app, I think. I'm unsure though. I want to check afterwards. Okay, I don't have Internet Explorer either. Let's see. Still uninstalling. What else does it want from me? Ah, there we go, it uninstalled. And I don't even want that shit on my computer, so I'm just gonna completely wipe it off. So yeah, I think it's out. Let's make sure. Fuck you, it's still there. Get it out. Get it out of here. Get it out. Get it off my face. So disgusting. Gross. Ugh. Ugh. Feels like using a toilet brush right now. Okay, there we go. Finish. Alright. No, nothing. Well, now let's see if it actually set itself as the default browser. Default apps. Apps. Let's check that out. Maps. A browser. Still Google Chrome. Okay, that's fine. Okay, I guess that's a pass. And it's also 11:44. Just a bit more than 10 minutes worth of these repairs. Time wasted, yeah. So, classical Microsoft. 20 minutes of wasted time just to get fucking Edge on your computer and make you use it. And that's about it. Take care.